At least I didn't accuse Teacher Vincent Ramos eh. Because you know, Teacher Vincent Ramos, his family members are anti-Marcos. Oh. So what, Sangkay Janjan? Do you want to criticize anybody who are Duterte supporters or Dilawan? Remember, Sangkay Janjan. Oh, do you remember Ronan Cayabyab? Oh, Ronan Cayabyab is an anti-Marcos because his mother is a pro-Cory. Oh, you remember the mother of Ronan Cayabyab who was working in the US? She's a pro-Cory. Oh, she's supporting Cory Aquino. Oh, while Ronan Cayabyab is an anti-Marcos, he remember his mother, his mom, was a victim of martial law. Is this what you like, Sangkay Janjan and Jordan Bunagan? Including others who were BBM bloggers, including Dan Mardayaw, Romeo TV Blog, Nino Barsaga, including Teacher Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Evelyn Caja. Are all of you are nuts who were supporting pathetic President Bongbong Marcos? Even that his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., they are both are plunders, they are criminal, they are money laundering. At least, look at Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, she is anti-Marcos. Oh, look at Teacher Ruthie Barrientos, anti-Marcos. Oh, this is very insane. And you know what, Teacher Maxi Vargas or Mimax Vargas, one more praising again Bongbong Marcos again. I will shoot you a pellet gun. One more. Including Gina Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio, both of you. One more praising Bongbong Marcos, I will brutal both of you. Even your son, Kyle Asedio, and even your daughter, Crescia Asedio. Oh, this is very insane. Wag kayo puro Marcos ang utak ninyo. That's why, you know, we have a problem about corruption in the Philippines. My friend Stefan Pimentel had blamed himself that he voted Bongbong Marcos. But right now, he doesn't like Bongbong Marcos. Oh, me, I blame myself that I voted Bongbong Marcos. I was not a voter register. Me and Apollo Sanchez, we're not voter register. Apollo Sanchez and I, we apologize to Teacher Kelpabelo and Eskel Penumbra that we voted Bongbong Marcos. Oh, I apologize to all of Filipinos there. Oh, me and Apollo Sanchez, we voted Bongbong Marcos. And that was our fault. You know what? I say to Sangkay Janjan, Jordan Bunagan, you don't know what is corruption in the Philippines. We don't know what is really happened. Oh, Sangkay Janjan, Jordan Bunagan, you don't know what is corruption. I have a warning to Teacher Evelyn Caja. One more defending Bongbong Marcos, Teacher Evelyn Caja. I will slap your face and I will punch your face, Teacher Evelyn Caja. If you're a senior citizen, I will disrespect you. If you praise that pathetic President Bongbong Marcos, he's not our president. Even you, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, both of you, one more praising at Bongbong Marcos, I will slap your face and I'll punch all of your face in your mouth and your eye. Oh, I had enough about Bongbong Marcos. Even you, Teacher May Tiburcio, one more defending at Bongbong Marcos, one more praising at Bongbong Marcos, batukan kita. Oh, one more, ha? I had enough about Marcoses. Remember, you see this in the Guinness World of Record. Oh, I was told by Miggy Labitag, my nephew, Bongbong Marcos and his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., are the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record, together with his mom, Imelda Marcos. Even Amy Marcos and Irene Marcos and Amy Marcos, they are convicted of plunder and money laundering. Even in during the time of Janet Lim Napoles, Bongbong Marcos was sued of pork barrel scam. He has lots of cases of pork barrel scam. The complaint there, it was the anti-Marcos movement. You see this? If you're gonna read this, Sangkay Janjan, Dan Mardayaw, Jordan Bunagan, Romeo TV Vlog, and Tata Emenilao and Marcos Sacalaman. Remember, Marcos is truly a robbery of the Filipino people, even Romualdez. Martin Romualdez. Like I said before, Matthew Timbal was right. Magnanakaw pala ang mga Marcoses at Romualdez. You don't know what is really true color was. And why was Matthew Timbal curses at Bongbong Marcos? A F word. You see that, Sangkay Janjan, Dan Mardayaw, Jordan Bunagan, Romeo TV Vlog, and Tata Emenilao, and including Marcos Sacalaman. You don't know what is the cases, which is the cases against the Marcoses. The US DOJ had filed the cases against the Marcos family because of robbery of the ill-gotten wealth. While they were exiled in Hawaii. And another one, the taxes of the Marcoses. They steal the tax, they stole the tax, they scammed the millions of Filipinos because of 20 pesos of kilo of rice o 20 kilong sako ng bigas. Is this what you like? Huh? To those idiot BBM supporters who wants to praise that Marcoses are the really truly robbery in the Filipino people. Magnanakaw pala ang mga Marcoses. And I think the Dutertes are right. The Marcoses are the truly greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. At least Mang Rodelio Daguman had experience of EDSA People Power when he was 5 years old. And even Ate Mirasol, when she was 17 years old, she experienced EDSA People Power. Before Paulo Siaco and Yana were not yet born yet in 1980s. Ate Mirasol was 17 years old. She experienced that EDSA People Power. In 1986. You don't know what is really happened. If it is really happened in EDSA People Power 3, it will be happen next. You know, for example, um, for example, during the lesson of Teacher May Tiburcio, you hear that, Sangkay Janjan, Civica, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. was convicted of plunder and robbery of the Filipino people. He is the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record of the whole history of the Philippines. Same as in Israel, like Benjamin Netanyahu, same as in South Korea, Park Geun-hye, that was the daughter of Park Chung-hee, and they are convicted of plunder. Oh, you see that? Oh, to those idiot BBM supporters, $24 billion that Marcos had steal the ill-gotten wealth, and even 5,000 million pesos for gold. My God, you don't know what is truly was. Oh, you don't know what is really happening. Sangkay Janjan, Dan Mardayaw, Jordan Bunagan, Paulo Cruzada, and even Tata Emenilao and Marcos Tacalaman. Oh, the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the Filipino people. You don't know what is really happening.